you stick around to the end of this short, insightful video, I promise you're going to have some actionable tips that will help you increase your conversion rates and decrease your cost per lead on your lead generation funnels. I'm Oliver Kenyon, and for 11 years I've ran ConversionWise, the company that's designed more high-converting landing pages than any other agency on this planet. And in this video, I'm going to show you a before and after design of a client's page that we did in order to smash their lead gen conversion rates. Let's jump straight into the breakdown. So in front of you, you can see the before and after designs, and I'm going to break down 5 things we did to redesign this page for a cheaper cost per lead. So number 1, we just called out the most important value proposition in a clear notice bar way above the fold. So legally, which is really important when it comes to timeshares, because to legally exit your timeshare is very, very difficult. We've just called that benefit out. Legally exit your timeshare now. The word now is very, very important. Number 2 is we have made more of that click to call number. We've actually showcased the number, shown that it's a real number that you can trust, and therefore people are more likely to click it. Number 3 is we've instilled social proof. This particular company has had over 3,000, 4.7% up out of 5 reviews, but they don't show it off. Social proof is so powerful. Just because it's lead gen, don't think you don't have to have social proof. It's really, really powerful. So we've just added this one bar, we've got the visual element of the stars, and we make sure we put at the end that they are happy user reviews. Number 4 is really the title and the description. As you can see in the before design, they have this long block of text. It's boring, it's not scannable, it's not easy to read, and it doesn't focus on the outcome or the benefit of the consumer. So now we've turned it into benefit-driven bullet points. We put these clear tick marks, we've bolded key phrases, and we've made it all about you, the consumer, and what you get out of this particular service. And number 5, as you can see, we have a very clear call to action. We decided to go away from take the quiz. Yes, they will be taking a quiz, but we changed it to be a more actionable and insightful and exciting call to action. Exit your timeshare with a directional cue, a color that really stands out, and then we've supported that with the happy image of the couple who are very satisfied now that they've exited their timeshare using our service. Speaking of using our service, if you want to use my company to design you a higher converting landing page, get in touch at ConversionWise.com. Make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube for more video breakdowns, and I'll see you in the very next video.